All right. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to your writing and math lesson. Um, I bet you've been wondering for a while about what we're planning to do with the things in this envelope. So, all of you should have received with your very first packet of materials a clear Ziploc baggie with a gray piece of paper and a white piece of paper. I want you to grab the white piece of paper for now, and you're going to use a regular pencil, okay? So, regular pencil. What we're going to do today is we're going to actually learn how to draw some self-portraits, all right? So, if I was you, I would try to find a mirror. If you can find a mirror, hold the mirror up to yourself, maybe prop it up kind of like this so you can see yourself. Or go do this in the bathroom or somewhere where you have a mirror. Ask your mom and dad. And we're going to practice drawing self-portraits, okay? So once you get ready, get your mirror, get your white piece of paper, get your regular pencil and eraser. You must start with a regular pencil and eraser because I'm pretty sure you're going to make a mistake. I'm probably going to make a mistake. And it's a lot easier to fix it if you do it in pencil. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your piece of paper and you want to do this fairly big. Okay, so using the whole piece of paper, you're going to put 4 dots in the corners of your paper. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, each corner. Then you're going to draw an oval to connect those dots. All right? So you have a big oval. I'm going to trace over mine with black because you can't really see it on the screen very well. But I started by drawing 4 dots. See those? And then I connected them like that. Okay? Mine is a little crooked. If I was you, I would erase down here probably, and I would make it a little more rounded. But I've already drawn it with permanent marker, so I can't erase it, so I'm going to just do my best. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is begin with the eyes. Okay? I'm looking at my eyes in the mirror, and I have little oval-shaped eyes that are about right here on my head. Okay? So they're kind of oval-shaped this way. The other thing that I have are eyebrows. My eyebrows just kind of go like this. And they don't have to be exactly the same. And I just draw them like little hairs. They're kind of bigger here in the front, and they get smaller towards the ends. Okay? I also have eyelashes. All people have eyelashes. Okay? So eyelashes. And I have a nose, and my nose is kind of long, and it has a rounded kind of thing at the end. So I'm going to go like this, and then around like that. And then I have a nostril here. Okay, there's my nose. Now, for my eyes, I'm going to do almost a whole circle, just like that. Okay? And then put a dot in the middle of each one. My eyes are blue, and I know I have a blue marker in here, so I'm going to pull out my blue marker, and I'm going to color these. You have all kinds of colored pencils, so you can mix blue and gray, or green, or maybe you have black eyes, brown eyes, that sort of thing, okay? There's lots of different ways you can make the nose, too. Okay, you can make a nose that's just like this. You can do a nose that has 2 sides. Lots of different ways to make a nose. I'll do one down here so you can see it. that, or like that. This, that. Lots of different options here for you. Okay. Now, what else are we looking for? We're looking for mouths. Okay, mouths are kind of a U shape. You could draw a smile. You could do kind of a heart shaped. I know that my lips kind of go like this. Watch. So they go. This, and then there's creases in your lips. Okay, so that's what my lips look like, sort of. But there's lots of different ways you could do a mouth like this. You could do an open mouth. And you could do the teeth. That is totally up to you. Alright, the last thing that we need to do are ears and the hairline. Okay? So my ears, if you look at my face, they're about, let's see, the top of my ears is kind of in alignment with my eyes. So I'm going to do this, give my ears a little curve, almost like an E shape. Okay? And then just do a little line inside of there so they look more realistic. Okay? And then I have pretty much no hair. So I'm just going to do some little dots up here that look like my head is shaved. Okay. Right on the top, all the way down to where my ears are. And this is kind of my forehead. So the hairline comes down a little bit on my forehead. But then I have a little bit of a beard. So I would go around and draw a beard around my chin. When I'm doing a fast job and I'm using here's my beard that comes all the way around my chin. You would probably take some more time to do this. Okay, there's my beard. My skin is kind of a tannish pink color. My eyes are blue. My hair is brown. So you can actually have some brown here. So you can go in and kind of color with brown, add some details. You know, like this. So I also have some gray hair in my beard. My hair up here is brown. You can mix colors too. If you want to get really fancy. I don't have a skin color, and I don't have a good color for lips. My lips are kind of just regular skin, a little pinkish, kind of like the color of this pencil grip. And you have those in your colored pencil, so you can use those. All right? So then when you're done, you can use a black pen or a marker to go over the top like I did with my black marker. Okay? And then use a crayon or a colored pencil to color it in. Okay? Once you're done, you're going to cut your face out of this white piece of paper. So mine is going to be kind of like this shape. Okay, so it's going to be kind of like this shape, and then you're going to glue this to the gray, like that. And then your self-portrait is finished. Okay, there's going to be a part 2 tomorrow. So the part we're going to do tomorrow is in your writing packet, and so your self-portrait needs to be finished for that part, okay? So keep working on it today. When you're done, you're going to pull out your letter writing practice, and you're going to turn to the page with the J, okay? J is one line down, pencil off, back up to the top, second line across the top. Okay, so I will try to do it on this side here. So, straight line down, let go, back up to the top, straight across. Okay, so down here, down, across, down, across, down, across, down, across, down, across, and do all of your own that way using regular pencil. Do one all on your own. Look to see, I think this one is probably my best one. Go ahead and circle that. Okay. And then if you want to color the jet, you can. Then you're done with writing for today. Go ahead and pause here if you need to get caught up on the writing, because I'm moving right along to math. Here's your math assignment. Color each set of the boxes in a different way and write a number sentence that totals 7. Okay? So number 1, each one of these totals 7. So all the different combinations of 7. I'm going to choose 2 different colors. Let's do orange and green. Orange and green. So I'm going to color 2 boxes orange, and the rest of the boxes this nice olive green color. Also, don't forget to put your name up at the top of your paper. I almost forgot. You guys forgot to remind me. My name is Paul. It is 9-24-2020, right up there at the top. Paul, 9-24-2020. As you can see, I colored 2 orange and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green, and we're going to write that equation right here. Okay, so 2 plus 5, 2 orange plus 5 equals what? 7! Okay, now do a different combination. If you want to just count up, you could do 3 orange and the rest green. So I added 1 more orange, which means there's 1 less green. Now I have 3 plus 4 equals 7. And you could just keep going up like that. I think is probably the simplest, most straightforward approach. But if you can think of unique combinations, it's totally up to you. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3. Just switched on me. Okay, keep going. Now I'm going to add 1 more orange, which means I'm going to have 5 orange, which means I'll only have 2 green. Okay. 5 plus 2 equals 7, right down here. Add 1 more orange. If I had 5 in the previous, and I add 1 more, that means I have 6. So I'm going to color 6 orange squares. And how many green? 1. So now my equation is 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Okay? And the last one is going to be all orange. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orange. So if I have all 7 orange, how many green do I have? 0. And 7 plus 0 equals 7, so that's correct. So if you want to pause and copy down what I wrote, you are more than welcome to. When you're done, we're going to move along to page 11. The next activity is a game. Okay, so there's 2 players. You have 2 boards, so page 11 and 12. You have player 1. See, it says player 1 up there at the top. And then player 2. If you can find somebody to play with, that's great. If not, you can pretend and play by yourself. You're going to need a paper clip like we did in the last one. Okay? And you're going to use your regular pencil to pin the paper clip right here in the center. Okay? You're going to make a spinner, and you're going to spin and write the part onto the bond to make it true. Okay? So let's just go for it. I'm going to put my paper clip down on my spinner, and I'm going to go flick. See, it landed on a 2. Okay, so my paper clip landed on number 2. Now I have to go through all the combinations of 7 and find the one that makes sense with 2. So 4 plus 2, does that equal 7? No. 3 plus 2? No. 1 plus 2? No, that's only 3. 6 plus 2? Nope, that's more than 7. 2 plus 2? That's only 4. 6 plus 2? Nope. 2 plus 2? 4 plus 2? 3 plus 2? 1 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2, no, 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 la da 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 da. Okay, none of these work with a 2. What number would we have to have in one of the parts for 2 to work? 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, so I lose a turn, and that's okay, that's part of the game. So now, spin again. Let's see which one I'm gonna land on. Fling! 5! Okay, so if I have 5 pencils, and I want 7, how many more do I have to add? Okay, so I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I add 1, do I have 7 now? Nope, I have 6. If I add 2, do I have 7 now? Yeah. Okay, so I spun, I landed on 5, so I'm going to look for 2 and put the 5 in the missing box. Okay, so look for 2. Boom! There's the 2. Put a 5 here. Okay? 2 plus 5 equals 7. Keep going. Look for all the ones you can find. There's another 2. Put a 5 there. Okay? Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Okay? So there's one here. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. And there's one here. And you just keep going like that until the whole thing is filled up. If you're playing with a player, you take turns. I go, you go. I go, you go. I go, you go. Whoever gets the board filled up first is the winner. When you're done with that, you're done with math for today.